Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 2 hex bolts securing the housing. We used a 10mm nut driver to remove the hex bolts. Remove the old filter from the housing. Install your new AF4017 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, reinstall the hex bolts. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.